Padang Beach, Bali.
It's Thomas Beach, no?
No, that's a real Padang.
I thought this one Padang.
No, that one is a Labuan side.
So many abandoned places. Nobody must be coming here. This is a really beautiful beach here. Ooh, guys, you should be visiting places like this. If you want relaxation, you want beautiful ocean, you want beautiful white sand, Thomas Beach is a place you should be coming to. Unbelievable. You guys have got to come to these places. Wow, guys, just look at that. Wow, look at the little abandoned hut. I'll be honest, this is one of the best oceans I've been in this area. There's your view. Wow, guys, just look at that for a view. Good morning from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in Pecatu in South Kuta, and I'm gonna show you a beach called Thomas Beach. So come with me, let's go explore. Oh, this is the car parking area. You have to come down a dirt track up there to get to this beach. And all the motorbike parking's here. You have a little warung here to the left. And we're going to head down to the beach. Oh, there you see Thomas Beach. And this is a track. So this beach, if you're staying in the Kuta area, it's going to take you approximately, I'd say, 50 minutes to 1 hour, depending on traffic, to get to here. Place there. Look at that, guys, what a view. Ooh la la, how beautiful is that? So this is going to be a beautiful beach that I'm taking you to. And it is actually just around the corner from a beach called, one of the famous beaches here called Padang Beach. And that's a very popular beach here in this area, and it's about 1.5 kilometers to Thomas Beach and Padang Beach. So let's continue on and go and visit Thomas Beach. As you can see, got some cafes and things here if you go down there. An accommodation option there. And that's the steepness of your climb down here to Thomas Beach. Surf lessons. And here we are, guys. Welcome to Thomas Beach. See, this is a really fine, beautiful beach, beautiful ocean, beautiful white sand. However, there doesn't appear to be many people here. There's a lot of sun loungers and umbrellas available at the back of the beach. However, we'll just take a stroll along the beach now and see what's going on down the other end. Just walk in at the back here so we can show you the restaurants. Hello?
Hello? Umbrella?
No, thank you.
Padang Beach, Bali.
It's Thomas Beach, no?
No,
That's a
not
real
Padang.
Padang.
I thought this one Padang.
No, that one is a Labuan side.
Oh, okay.
You see in front is a Labuan side, and then bottom Padang. But the other one is a real Padang Beach.
This is the original.
Yeah, original.
Padang.
Ah, okay.
Padang Beach.
Okay. A little we're wrong here. Wow. We saw some coconuts there. We've got surfboards for rent and surf lessons. Wow, can you believe how empty this beach is? Such a beautiful beach like this and nobody's occupying the sun lounges. Unbelievable. You guys have got to come to these places. You really have. This area is the divine beaches in Bali. Have a nice little warung there selling food. Hello. Good, thank you. How are you? Oh, the dog's not happy me looking at the food. He's following me now.
Hey.
So you can see you're not going to go hungry here. There's plenty of little warungs. We rent surfboards. Although I don't know whether it's a particularly big surfing beach or not this. Wow guys, just look at that. Look at that. Let's make our way down to this far end. There looks like some interesting rock formations. Wow, and then look at these. Really old shacks. Hello, good morning. Wow. Wow, look at this, guys. A really old abandoned place there. Wow, this is so beautiful. I can't believe there's so few people here. If you go to Padang Beach, just up the road from here, 1.5 kilometers from here, full, crowded. It's a beautiful beach also, but it'd be full and crowded with people. Just come round the corner to Thomas Beach. You're going to have a beach literally all to yourself. Wow guys, just look at that for a view. Just come here, you're going to have your own piece of sand all to yourself. Wow, look at that. So amazing. Wow, look at the little abandoned hut. but that's almost as far as we can go, because then you're just going into the ocean. So many abandoned places. Nobody must be coming here. This is a really beautiful beach here. Ooh, guys, you should be visiting places like this. If you want relaxation, you want beautiful ocean, you want beautiful white sand, Thomas Beach is a place you should be coming to. Okay guys, so we're just going and sample this beautiful, delightful ocean. Wow, that's so warm, so beautiful. Ooh. Oh my God, this is divine ocean. I'll be honest, this is one of the best oceans I've been in this area. No rocks, nothing in the way. Just great for swimming. Wow. Oh. There's your view. Guys, so I'll just give you my thoughts on Thomas Beach or Padang Beach. I'm not sure which one it is. The one that I refer to as Padang is about 1.2 to 1.5 kilometers, and I think that'll be the Google Maps Padang as well. However, the locals have informed me, as we saw in the video, this is called Padang. However, this does come through as Thomas Beach. Absolutely fantastic beach, really beautiful white sand, beautiful ocean for swimming, crystal clear, clean. You have everything you need at the back of the beach with the restaurant, so you're going to be able to get food, simple foods, good prices. Refreshments are available, fresh coconuts are available. So all in all, this is a great place to come. If you want to, I would highly recommend this place for people with families, young children, because the ocean is ideal swimming for young children. It's going to be a great place for you to bring your family. And all in all, I highly recommend a visit to this Thomas Beach. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Glad to share this beautiful place with you. Come to Thomas Beach if you want a real Bali experience. This is going to give you that. This is beautiful, divine paradise. So on that note, guys, hope you've enjoyed the video, enjoyed sharing this place with you, and I shall say bye for now.